Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We get 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, a safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 160, NASDAQ flat, S&P's up 2.5, gold contract down $3.70, trading at $12.82 an ounce. Silver down 2 cents, $17 a penny an ounce. Copper $3.17 a pound. Light sweet crude up 11 cents, trading at $51.99 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 10 ticks, 125.04. 30-year bond up a full point, 153.02. King dollar gave it up again, down 80 ticks, 93.270. That's after trying to get up and over its swing high from yesterday. Yesterday you failed. Today you failed. Bottom line, King dollar wants lower price. Euro's at 118 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is almost at 113 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You got 34 million shares, closing at an all-time high. You're up 22 cents. And we take a look at this, folks. There is from, let's see, you're in, since September 25th, each and every day, this thing has been just grinding higher. September 25th, we're at 248, you're at 255 right now. American Express just come out with numbers. American Express closed at $92.08. It's trading at $92.90. Numbers go like this in American Express. The estimate was $1.48. They made $1.50. They're pushing up their earnings per share view for the for this year. They had seen earnings per share for the fiscal year of $5.60 to $5.80. Now they see $5.80 to $5.90. Their revenue was $8.4 billion. And we'll see whether they're going to hold price. Right now you're at you're up 39 cents today. You're at 92.09. Right now you're up an additional 82 cents. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract out here? Gold contract, folks, they got down to a price point of $12.7860 today. It rejected lower price, had lighter volume. It's coming into how we came off the lows on the 6th of October. The high of that 6th is the 12.79 area. We hit 12.7860, rejected it, closed at 12.82, 12.8260. Doesn't get us inside yesterday's low, which would have been good. Bottom line, still rejected the high of the low that's out there. XAU and HUI, they both operated like they want higher price. They both tested their lows, dramatically lighter volume. That's saying that also wants higher price. Notes, 10-year note, 30-year bond. Okay, so the 10-year note gets down to 125.01. We've done 978,000 contracts. You've come into the same place. What's intriguing here, you have notes, bonds, gold trading, and the dollar, basically trading the same type of places. What I mean is this. So you have the gold contract going into how it came off the bottom on October 6th. We have the note contract as well as the bond contract doing the same deal. We got a rejection of lower price today would have been, we didn't get it, number one, in the note market. Why? Because we would have had to close 3 ticks higher. What we did do is this. You didn't even do 1 million contracts. You're at 125.04. You need to close, and we did 978,000 versus 1.8. So bottom line is that you're approximately 900,000 contracts light. So your probability is that, number one, we're going to test this again tomorrow, meaning the low of today, which is 125.01. And we'll see if, in fact, it can reject that lower price. The way the volume is hitting right now, it looks like that it should be able to reject that price. Why? Because that is not a lot of sellers inside the bond market when we're talking about coming into swing highs or swing lows. If we look at the 30-year, this is pretty cool looking at the 30-year, because the 30-year did, let's see, did we make it down there? 152.12. So the 30-year, now the 30-year, this is pretty interesting. The 30-year made it down to 152.25. We're at 153.02. I would have much rather see it actually test it. 152.30. Oh, this is good. Okay. So this is what the 30-year did. This is saying that the 10-year, by the way, is going to go topside tomorrow too. The 30-year came into the low of last Friday, where we had strength. That had 295,000 contracts. We did 238. Big difference. You're talking about almost 18% less. You rejected the lower price. 30-year says it wants topside. If the 30-year wants topside, guess what? That 10 is going to follow it up, and I suspect going to follow it up pretty quickly. We go into the dollar index, and this is where you can see it's just giving it up once again. The dollar had a high out here today of 93.655. We are at 93.270. You did 15,000 contracts. You're coming into 32,000. It gave it up in spades. King dollar once again wants to get down to the $90 area, and more than likely what we have is a very large ABC structure down into the area of 88, which is just going to be an absolute mind blower if that's what we get. Let's see if we have eBay coming out yet. eBay is going to be coming out. We take this break. eBay is going to be coming out. Let's go back to American Express. We got a lot of numbers coming out today. American Express closed at that $92 area, and right now it's trading down. So we just went from American Express closed at 92.08, traded up to 92.90. Now we're at 91.67. So American Express also is going to have a tough time holding higher price, and so we'll see where this shakes out in the next couple hours, particularly in the next hour, because what we do have with an American Express is that when Visa and MasterCard got smoked, not smoked, but when they came down on Monday, American Express went with it. It looks like American Express is going to go after that low that was established on Monday. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. We had the Dow Industrials finished up 160. NASDAQ flat. S&P's up 3.5. Coming right back, folks.